Alright, so look, let's get into this wig. So I already curled this wig and I let it sit overnight. I kept it pent up overnight and this is what it looks like. Now I did cut layers into this wig. Hopefully it turns out right, because here is the construction, which is like a 5x5 lace closure. It has a little bit of lace, so you don't have too many options as far as parting is concerned. You just can part within this lace perimeter right here. So you can do a side part. It might not be as deep as you want it, but you can always shift the wig to the left or to the right so you can get a deeper side part. But it looks like it has no combs. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and try this wig on. Let me loosen it up. Hold up. Okay. The hairline did come pre-plucked, but I went in and plucked it some more. But y'all, I don't know how it's gonna look after I cut off the lace, but this thing is snug. So I'm gonna go ahead while the lace is still on and I'm gonna apply my powder on the top. Let's get to these curls. Ooh. Flip it, flip it.